are just confused about this to be a normal pyramid which is made of glass, then let me clarify, this is not just a pyramid made of glass. This is a die homemade 3D hologram projector. And if you ask what is hologram, hologram means the object seems to appear but it really doesn't exist at that position. And what you just need to do is you just need to put this hologram projector upon a mobile screen and just play any hologram video which is readily available on internet and see the magic after dimming the light. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is the AutoCAD drawing that I have prepared, and just make sure that you should be very much accurate about the dimensions of your final product. That will make perfectly 45-degree angle with your mobile screen to make perfect hologram output. And here I will be using glass sheets instead of using acrylic sheets because this is scratch resistant and will go for long run. But you also can use acrylic sheets because this is easily available in market and easy to cut it at home. I have come to the glass shop and see how the glass is being cut according to the given size I have prepared. Now just take Fevicol and fix the inclined corners together in a square shape and just leave it overnight. And this is what it looks like, the final product, the 3D hologram projector. This experiment is completely based upon the principle of image formation using a plane mirror. If we are just dimming the light, in that case the transparent glass sheets are just acting like a partial mirror and doing partial reflection. And the significance of that 45-degree angle with the surface of the mobile screen is that if we just place a mirror at about 45-degree and just take 2 points of an object that is present horizontally, in that case it will follow the image formation process using a plane mirror. So in that case the object distance will be equal to the image distance and the object height will be equal to the image height from the mirror. So that will create an illusion that the object is standing vertically at 90-degree angle, and that will create a beautiful hologram. That's all. So just dim the light and enjoy the show.